Mastering reduced relative clauses with adjectives. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into an interesting part of English grammar, reduced relative clauses. We will focus on how to reduce relative clauses when they involve adjectives. This topic can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we're going to demystify it step by step. Reduced relative clauses are simply shorter versions of relative clauses. They make our sentences more concise, efficient, and professional. For example, instead of saying, "The man who is happy is here," you can simply say, "The happy man is here." The part, "who is happy," is our relative clause, and "happy" is our reduced relative clause. We often use adjectives in reduced relative clauses. Adjectives are words that describe or modify another person or thing in the sentence. In our previous example, happy is the adjective. Let's delve into this a bit more. Before we can reduce a relative clause, we need to identify the adjectives in our sentence. The adjective is usually the word that is directly describing the noun. In our sentence, "The man who is happy is here," happy is the adjective because it describes the man. The reduction process involves eliminating words that are unnecessary while ensuring the sentence still carries the same meaning. Let's take an example. Full relative clause. The dog that is black is barking. Reduced relative clause. The black dog is barking. The adjective black directly modifies dog, so we can reduce the clause to make it more succinct. Now, let's practice with a few examples. 1. The flowers that are red are in the garden. Reduced. The red flowers are in the garden. 2. The movie that was entertaining won an award. Reduced. The entertaining movie won an award. 3. The woman who is beautiful is my neighbor. Reduced. The beautiful woman is my neighbor. Try reducing some relative clauses on your own. That's it for today's lesson on reducing relative clauses with adjectives. It may seem complex at first, but with regular practice, you'll start using them naturally in your conversations and writing. Remember, the key to learning is consistency. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master this topic. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next English learning video. Happy learning!